Hello friends, today I am going to make Goan Baath or Goan semolina coconut cake. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. First of all, I will start by beating the butter for around 2 minutes. Now to this we will add pure cow ghee or clarified butter. Now we will beat both the butter and the clarified butter together till they mix well. The clarified butter and the butter both together helps the bath to be very moist and soft. Now gradually we will add in the granulated sugar and mix it well. Now to this we will add in the eggs one at a time and beat between each addition. There are many ways to prepare the bath. This is one of the way. I will show you the other way some other time. After adding the last egg, we will beat it well till it gets double in size. Now our batter is full of air. For this batter to remain fluffy, we will keep aside the hand beater and mix with spatula. Scrape all the sides well before adding the semolina and the coconut. Now I will add in the grated coconut and mix it well. Now once the coconut has mixed well, we will add in the crushed cardamom and mix it well again. To this I will add my roasted semolina and mix well. Once everything has mixed well, we will cover it with the cling wrap and let it rest for 5 hours, but my mother keeps it overnight. If you are keeping it overnight, you have to prepare the batter just before sleeping. It has been almost 8 hours, and now in a separate bowl I will take some milk. I will add to it vanilla essence, some rose water. Rose water is optional, and baking powder and mix well, and then I will add this mixture to my batter. My batter is little thick. Now after adding this milk to it, it will get nice and soft. Now I will mix it well and keep it aside. In another bowl, I will take some flour, add a pinch of salt and some clarified butter, and by adding a little water, I will make a dough. This is a optional step, but I like to do it because it gives me a holiday feeling. Now I will roll this dough and cut it into fine strips to set it over my batter. I have a greased tin into which I am going to add some batter and cover the batter with the strips which I have made of the flour and bake it for around 35 to 40 minutes or till the top gets brown in color at 180 degrees Celsius. This Goan semolina cake can be eaten for breakfast, as a dessert, or for the evening tea time. Enjoy my recipe and please subscribe to my channel.